Alright.
Pussy, if you touch my blood clot, here be in a problem. Suck on the mother. Suck on the mother. Suck on the mother. Everybody I go up on this blood clot every night and they can't come touch my thing. Go suck on the mother.
Big up yourself, Shaggy. I don't know what the people that might go on in Germany, you know. I mean, you know how them say Aryan race. You see me, I say, you know, them say Shaggy mix with black and white. Well, surely the black was speaking tonight. You see me, I say, and I'm let off a few sweet Jamaican words people putting in the comment section. Have you ever seen Shaggy? I personally never seen Shaggy react this way, you know. You see me, I say, but you know what, you had man now play and now take my stylings. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, like them don't know I'm Mr. Boombastic. Anyway, that's like that quick update that Shaggy tell them to go suck their mother. You see me, I say. Meanwhile, Dancehall Queen Spice was playing it nice. And we're not talking about to the same crowd, we're talking about with Stylo. You see me, I say. But before we get into why she's apologizing, boy, oh boy, oh boy. We know say Spice and the Rasta man definitely not together no more, you know. Because that back up there, the two blood clans I play with you. People, I don't know where the Rasta is, you know. Actually, I do. Well, I don't. Anyway, this is why she's apologizing to Stylo because the man couldn't, well, she reversed the dumper truck and him couldn't back it up. You see me, I say, him need some more dumpling and cornmeal porridge to stay grounded. You see me, and this is what she exactly had to say about Stylo not be able to manage her. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, that was Dexter Dabbs. Spice back get tear out. You see me, I say. She said, Stylo, please accept my public apology. I forgot to warn you to be careful how you stay behind my bumper when I bend over in front of you. We out and bad stunting. The bumper big like dumpling. Love you, my brother. Germany got shelled. But you know, Stylo now got on like that, and he wants a rematch. And he said, Spice, you roll out pan me like a dice. Next time, me nah go be so nice. You win round one. You see me, I say. And Spice said, okay, alright, then where are you going to be next? And he said, Reggae Sunfest. And she said, alright, then here we come. Oh, before I forget, Cardi B was asked a question about, you know, doing dancehall and all of this stuff by Angela Lee. And she said, honestly, you know, dancehall is not for her. You know, she wouldn't feel quite comfortable and things. Because, you know, it would be out her comfort zone, you see me, I said. But she said that she would like an authentic collaboration with Spice. And I mean, and when she says authentic collaboration, I mean just for doing it for the love, you know. Boy, Nicki Minaj, if you make Cardi B do blood clot collaboration with Spice and drop before, boy, Nicki no bad at blood clot do no collaboration, you know. 100 years in the game, I'll know nothing no drop her ass clap, but this was Spice's response. Cardi B, the first time I met you, you were singing my song word for word, even songs that I didn't even remember. You've definitely been a huge fan since day one. No lies told. Okay, people, just a quick update on this MC Nuffy Tarlop situation. You know, we did a review earlier where we showed a video where it seemed MC Nuffy was being rude to Tarlop by cutting her performance short. Well, the promoter of that event has spoken, and honestly, it looked like say he might diss up Tarlop because he never hashtag her name out of all the people he hashtagged that he booked. You see me, I say, and this is what he had to say. The person says, I am the promoter for Lifestyle Weekend. Nuffy wasn't sabotaging or disrespecting Tarlop. Nuffy was just doing his job that he was instructed to do. Time was against us. The venue has a cutoff time which is 2 a.m. and we were instructed to cut off by 1:45 a.m. I booked TJ, Lily, Marvin the Beast, Uncle, whatever, see, whatever, Blair people, and things, and many more. You know what I mean? And that's all they said, you see what I said, but My mistake, he did hashtag tall up, you see me. I guess he doesn't want to do it twice, you know. But I mean, I don't know if Talib was aware of this problem before or after uh, her performance, you see me. But anyway, let's proceed. But speaking about the review we did earlier today, we said that Popcaan was held in detention. You know what I mean? And his lawyer made a statement, but me never know said I'm really owe the man for a day. That's clear. You mean for telling me, said from him post that thing there in him IG story, he's been held in detention. Jano. Well, he's been released because you know said he has a performance in the UK, the wireless performance thing and thing, you see me. I say, well, his lawyer made another statement because a lot of people is saying, well, it's not the Jamaican government or the UK people that stop him. So let's take a look at what he has to say and then we'll proceed. So Uncle Bert is asking all of you people that seems to know the law about people being detained. He said to the doubters on my Popcaan tweet, Popcaan travels to the UK on a visa issued by the UK. If they, the UK, had an issue with him, would they have granted a visa? Would they cancel the visa if they subsequently discovered an issue? So whose intelligence is acting out here? Me done telling already, say Popcaan, a certain big nose politician boy asleep with the same girl and he's asking Andrew Holness for help. You see me, I say, my industry insider once told me a few years ago there's a list of people that's not allowed to go to America. And Popcaan is on that list. Tammy Lee and Vibes Cartel, you see me, I say. And many more because the industry embassy done say them know everything what going on in everybody group because them don't have an informant, you know. But them never said nothing about the UK, so this leads me to believe that this is more a personal vendetta towards Popcaan. But I could be wrong still. And I mean, Russian said he's also being flagged too by people in Jamaican government, you know. And this is just a big embarrassment. This is why dancehall people shouldn't be bigging up politicians, you know what I mean? It's disgusting, you know what I mean? But that's another we'll discuss later, you see me?
Because they cannot breathe already, breathe again. Watch 20 drops down. Puppy, don't kick us down. Crazy. Because they cannot breathe for them nice clean babies. The morning girl, she was the ugly pick them and don't want to put them on the right one. Because they cannot show them pick them ugly like iron rest. But the intelligent, the blood cloud. That's true, no? Somebody gonna be able to get over, but next door with Gloria, but Gloria C9 now. You need the right time. You're pretty done. You're pretty done. You're pretty done. You're pretty done. You're pretty done.
Ja. Me don't know what do the donkey teeth that they want, you know, people. And honestly, I don't know if this was staged. You feel what I'm saying? Because I don't know who dances to a song or to a DJ that is dissing them. You see me, I say, as you heard a man say Dunce and all of these things. The way me so frightened me that I have to ask the people them if this is real. And the person that posted it said, very sadly so. But I'm gonna ask people putting in the comment section why you think them calling pretty a Dunce. You see me, I say, is it because of eye water? Or is it because she makes Shensia remix her song and all of these stuff, you know? I don't know, I'm just a messenger, you know? But putting in the comment section, if you was in pretty Dunce position in this video, would you be dancing and whining to people like this, you see me? Oh boy, people remember, say I'm just a messenger, delivering the message. If you crucify me, you won't get no more messages. You see me, I say, oh boy. Anyway, let's proceed. But anyway, don't forget to comment on this Popcaan situation because, you know, many of us are Jamaican and, you know, have people flying through airports. So, the more information about the situation, the better. It can stop the people them from getting harassed. Um, the only time I know people being detained um, is only when they have a criminal background. Every time this individual goes to Jamaica and come back home or goes back to the United States, they single him out and they bring him in the room for interrogation. And that's because he has a record. You feel what I'm saying? Popcaan doesn't have no criminal record. So I think it's just the government being how they always treat ghetto people. Yeah, I mean, them not like to ghetto people prosper. I really can't say much about Russian because, he's, one of these people, them are Chinese and Spanish. Them not really black, you see me? I mean, but him flex with Gaza, so you don't know the reputation. That's probably why them might flag him too. But hopefully their lawyers can do a thorough investigation and get to the bottom of this. You see, man. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest and dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips.